Why does it smell weird in here? If your house still smells even after you clean it, it's not your imagination. It just means the odor's hiding somewhere that you're not checking. And masking odors is not going to cut it. And in today's video, we're going to go after the root cause to eliminate those odors for good. I'm going to show you 5 places where those odors could be hiding. Let's get right to the video.
Let's start with a sneaky culprit, your laundry. Even clean-looking towels can trap moisture, mildew, and bacteria. If your fresh laundry smells off a day later, it's not your detergent, it's buildup. In order to get buildup off your towels, add a little bit of white vinegar to your rinse cycle on your washer. Wash your towels on hot once a month and keep your washer doors open to let them air out. Next up, the smell coming from our fur babies. We love them, but their scent tends to linger. The key is to not just deodorize, but deep clean their spaces. In order to eliminate these odors for good, wash pet bedding regularly. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets and vacuum it up, especially in areas where they like to hang out. I assume you're already doing the dreadful task of cleaning the litter box, but there's a step further that needs to be taken. Wipe down litter box areas. Don't just clean their items, but do a whole deep clean on their area.
Let me know what areas of your home always seems to smell weird. I might do a part 2 with your suggestions.
Even if your home looks spotless, fabrics hold on to so many odors just like a sponge. Think about your curtains, couches, and beds. Not only should you be washing your sheets regularly, but make sure to wash them with hot water. And to go the extra mile, sprinkle some baking soda on your mattress, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then vacuum it up. Next up, let's talk about the odors hiding in the room you probably spend the most time cleaning. The kitchen. Your kitchen or bathroom can be freshly clean and seem fine until you realize the smell coming from the drain. Your sink drain is basically a wet sponge of bacteria. In order to fully remove the smell coming from the drain, pour a half a cup of baking soda in 1 cup of vinegar until it bubbles, and then flush with boiling water. For extra freshness, you can take a sliced up lemon and put that in the drain before you pour the boiling water down the drain.
Odors like to hide in places you'd never think to look. But once you tackle it at the source, your home doesn't just look clean, it is clean.
Finally, one of the biggest odor sources in almost every home, inside your trash cans. Even if you take the trash out every day, the can itself traps spills, leaks, and bacteria that keep releasing those bad smells. Here's the fix. Give it a quick vinegar spray and wash with hot water and dish soap. Scrub the dish soap, especially in the areas that have stuck-on grime. Let it dry completely before putting in a new bag. If you like this video, tell me in the comments which hidden odor surprised you most.